welcome in accountancy classes. Today I am going to discuss journal entries. Okay, in last video I have discussed golden rule and which account is debited and which account is credited, what is personal, real and nominal account. Each and everything I have discussed in my previous video. And in this video you will understand what is journal entries of how to pass journal entries. Today I will teach you. If you have not seen my previous video, then you can face some problem while understanding this chapter, while understanding the topic of journal entry, how to pass the journal entry. So it is my request to see the previous video. If you are facing any problem while understanding this video, in spite of you are facing any problem, then you can comment me in my given number, or you can directly comment in YouTube. Okay, definitely I will help you. Okay, so try to see the video. Okay, what is journal entries? So from the following transactions, state the nature of accounts and state which account will be debited. Okay, which account will be debited and which account will be credited. Here, this is solution analysis of transaction. Okay, Mr. Mohan started business with 5 lakh is cash. Okay, so we know very well started business with cash. So cash account debit to capital account. Commencement business with cash account debit to capital. Mr. Mohan started business with cash account debit to capital. Question will be given anyways, but journal entry will be shared. Okay, started business with cash account debit to capital. If Mr. Mohan started business with cash rupees 5 lakh, then cash account debit to capital. And cash is which account? Cash is real account. And to capital is which account? Already I have told you which account is capital. Okay, cash account is started business with cash account debit to capital. Try to see the video, then you can understand it. Please take a screenshot of this question, then you can understand very easily. Okay, please take the screenshot. Okay, you have taken. So Mr. Mohan started business with rupees 5 lakh in cash. Okay, 5 lakhs in cash. So cash account debit to capital. Cash account. Okay, which account is involved? Cash account is involved. And which account is involved? Capital. Capital account is involved. Cash and capital. Cash and capital account is involved. Cash is nature of account. Cash is, you know very well, real account. And capital is personal account. Okay. So Mr. Mohan started business with cash, 5 lakh in cash. So cash account debit to capital. Okay, the cash is debited. Cash account is debit 5 lakh. And credit 5 lakh. Okay, cash account debit to capital. The cash is real account and capital is personal account. Okay, so 5 lakh and credit rupees 5 lakh. Clear? Reason it what? Reason comes in, and this is giver. The cash is comes in. Okay, and capital is giver. This is reason. Cash account debit to capital comes in favor. Next, purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash means purchase account debit to cash. If in question purchase furniture, okay, if question will be given, then furniture account debit to cash, because particular things is mentioned here. But purchase goods, mean which type of goods you have purchased, nothing is mentioned. Then you will write purchase account debit to cash. Purchase will be debited and cash will be credited. Okay, so purchase goods for cash. The purchase goods for cash, which account is involved? Purchase and cash. Okay, purchase we know very well, real account, and cash is also real account. Purchase is nominal account. All expenses and losses are debited. Here is purchasing. Then it is nominal account, not real account. Expense and cash, you know very well, real account. So purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for the purchase account debit to cash. Purchase account debit to cash. The purchase is nominal and the cash is real. Amount is given 1 lakh. Here you will write 1 lakh. And here you will write 1 lakh. Okay. Purchase machinery. The machinery comes in. Machinery comes in and cash goes out. Okay. Cash goes out. So purchase is what? Purchase is expenses and this is cash goes out. Goes out. It is purchase is what? Expense, you can say. Expense also. Expenses. And this is goes out. Clear? Sold good for cash. Sold means what? Suppose you are selling anything. Okay, then you are getting cash. Sold good for cash. Cash account debit to sales. Cash account debit sold. This is income of your company. Okay. So cash account debit to sales. So here it will be sold good for cash. Cash account debit to sales. Cash is what? Real account. And purchase is what? Purchase and sale is nominal account. Cash is amount is already given 1,50,000 and 1,50,000. Sold goods for cash. Cash comes in. And please see the sold goods for cash. So cash account debit to sales. Cash is real account and sale is nominal account. Purchase is nominal account. 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Okay, comes in and sales is your sales is your income. Sales is your income. More sale, more income. Okay. Received interest from RAM in cash. So cash account debit to RAM. Received interest from RAM in cash. So cash account debit. Okay. Cash account debit to interest. Cash account debit to interest. Received interest from RAM in cash. Cash account debit to interest. Cash to interest. Clear? We know very well cash is real account and interest is nominal account. Here amount is 500. 500. Okay. Receive interest then comes in and receive interest from RAM. Okay. So here we are getting receive interest. Receive interest cash is real account and interest cash account debit to interest. So real cash is real account and interest is nominal account. And 500 and 500. Cash is comes in. Okay, and cash is comes in and interest is what? Income. Interest is what? Income. This is income account. Next, goods sold to Ashok for rupees 60,000. Goods sold to Ashok. Ashok name is given. It means what? This is credit sale. If credit sale will be given, then we will write the name of the party. Goods sold to Ashok. So Ashok account debit to sales. If only given, if the goods sold, if nothing is given, goods sold means what? Cash sales. So cash account debit to sales. Here is given goods sold to Ashok. I am not getting any cash. This is credit sale. Goods sold to Ashok. Ashok account debit to sales. Okay. This is credit sale. You will have to understand it. Goods sold to Ashok. The Ashok account debit to sold. Ashok and sales. This is sales. Clear? Ashok and sales. Ashok is personal and sales is nominal. Ashok is personal and sales is, I think you are unable to see it. Okay, you can see it. Very good. Goods sold to Ashok for 60,000. Ashok is personal and sales is nominal. Okay, sale is nominal, purchase is nominal. Okay, each and everything is nominal. Okay, the sold goods to Ashok for rupees 60,000. So here you will write 60,000 and 60,000. Clear? So Ashok is what? Personal account. Goods sold to Ashok for rupees 60,000. Ashok is what? Goods sold to Ashok means who is the receiver of goods? The receiver is Ashok. Okay, and sale is income. Ashok is receiver of goods. Ashok is receiver and sale is income. Sale is, this is income. Clear? Purchase furniture for cash. For cash is given. So purchase furniture account debit to cash. Okay. So furniture is what? This is real account. Cash is what? This is real account. So furniture account debit to cash. Clear? So receiving furniture is comes in and cash is goes out. Okay. So purchase furniture for cash. Furniture account debit to cash. Furniture to cash. Okay. Furniture is what? Real account. And cash is also real account. Amount is given 50,000. 50,000. Clear? The purchase furniture for cash. Purchase furniture for cash. Furniture account debit to cash. All are real account. 50,000, 58,000. Furniture comes in and cash goes out. Furniture comes in and cash goes out. Clear? Paid wages, paid electricity, paid salary, paid rent, each and everything is our nominal account. All expenses and losses are debited. All the incomes and gains are credited. Okay. So paid wages account debit to cash. Paid salary account debit to cash. Paid electricity account debit to cash. So paid what is given, then it is nominal account. The paid wages, the wages account debit to cash. Okay. Wages account debit to cash. Paid wages. The wages and cash. Okay. So wages is what? Wages, salary. Okay. So wages is what? This is nominal account. Wages, salary, interest. Okay, all are nominal account. And cash, you know, very real account. Amount is given 20,000, 20,000. 20,000, here you will write 20,000. Paid wages. The wages giving means what? Wages goes out. Paid wages, this is expense. And goes out. Cash goes out. Wages is what? Expense. Expense. And this is cash goes out. Goes out. Clear? Cash goes out. So we try to understand again. Mr. Mohan started business with cash. Try to understand again. I am going to recap it. Mr. Mohan started business with cash, 50,000 in cash. The cash account debit to capital. This is real account and this is personal account. 50,000 50,000 comes in and this is giver. Purchase goods for cash 1 lakh. The purchase account debit to cash. Nominal account, real account. 1 lakh first expense and second goes out. 3 goods sold for cash 1,50,000. Okay, so cash account debit to sales, real account, nominal account. 1,50,000 comes in and income. For now, receive interest from Ram in cash. The cash account debit to interest, real account and nominal account. 500 comes in and income. 5 number, goods sold to Ashok account debit to sales. So personal account, nominal account, 60,000 receiver and income. 6 number, for purchase furniture for cash, furniture account debit to cash, real 50,000 comes in, goes out. And next and last 7, paid wages. So wages account debit to cash, real account, nominal account and real account, 20,000 expense and goes out. Okay. So in this video we understood what is personal account, what is real account, how to post the journal entries. Okay, in this video we understood it. Okay, please don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel and don't forget to like it. Okay, thanks for watching this video.